In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Lovable Skills feature. We'll walk through the full process of adding a skill to a project in Lovable, from opening your dashboard all the way to saving the new skill. This feature is useful when you want to define custom knowledge, instructions, or reusable context directly inside a project so it can be referenced more effectively later. To begin, go to Lovable and sign in to your dashboard if needed. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to your project area. If your project is not already visible right away, click on All Projects so you can see the full list of available projects in your workspace. From there, open the project you want to work on. After the project loads, look to the top left-hand side of the screen near the project title. You'll see a drop-down button there. Click that drop-down to open the project options. Next, select Settings. This will take you to the configuration area for that specific project where you can manage different project level options. Inside Settings, click on Skills. This is the section where you can create and manage skills for the project. Once you're in the Skills area, click on Add. Lovable will then give you options for how you want to create the skill. Choose Write Manually. This is the option you'll use when you want to enter the skill details yourself instead of generating or importing them. Now you'll fill out the skill information. Start by adding the name. The name should be a short, permanent identifier, and it needs to use lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens only. It's a good idea to keep this clear and simple since it acts like a stable label for the skill. After that, add the description. This is where you briefly explain what the skill is for. Try to make the description specific enough that someone reviewing the project later can immediately understand the skill's purpose. Then add the content. This is the main body of the skill and usually contains the actual guidance, instructions, or information you want included. Take a moment here to make sure the content is accurate and well written, since this is the most important part of the setup. Once everything looks good, click Add Skill to save it. And that's it. You've successfully added a manually written skill to your Lovable project. If you're creating multiple skills, keeping the names consistent and the descriptions clear will make your project much easier to manage over time.